Which synonym belongs to depreciate? The correct answer is do down. Which synonym belongs to obsolete? The correct answer is rudimental. Which synonym belongs to lookout? The correct answer is sentry. Which synonym belongs to Catholic? The correct answer is eclectic. Which synonym belongs to feudal? The correct answer is useless. Which synonym belongs to prostrate? The correct answer is prone. Which synonym belongs to prolixity? The correct answer is flatulence. Which synonym belongs to reparable? The correct answer is reparable. Which synonym belongs to patriarch? The correct answer is forefather. Which synonym belongs to muse? The correct answer is Pyrean spring. Which synonym belongs to brittle? The correct answer is brickle. Which synonym belongs to retard? The correct answer is hold up. Which synonym belongs to acquiesce? The correct answer is comply. Which synonym belongs to regicide? The correct answer is kingslayer. Which synonym belongs to dogged? The correct answer is chase. Which synonym belongs to effigy? The correct answer is image. Which synonym belongs to harp? The correct answer is keep on. Which synonym belongs to scheme? The correct answer is blueprint. Which synonym belongs to consummate? The correct answer is complete. Which synonym belongs to imbroglio? The correct answer is snarl.